Wow, my healthy chocolate brownie is ready. Come with me as I make a healthy brownie recipe the balanced bite way. Our brownies are going to be dairy-free, gluten-free and actually balance your hormones. Dates are the natural sweetener in this recipe. Unlike refined sugar, they have their nutrients intact. So you're getting fiber, minerals like potassium and magnesium along with antioxidants like polyphenols. We're going to add 4 tablespoons. For our healthy brownie recipes, it is the sweet potatoes that are the game changer. They give you beta-carotene, but here they will also give us the slow digesting carbohydrates. Oat flour in this recipe will help bind our brownies. If you want to make a gluten-free version, just use almond flour. Just 1 tablespoon of cacao powder will give us 50 to 60 milligrams of magnesium. Tahini in our brownie recipe is doing 3 things: adding healthy fats, improving the fudgy texture and giving that mild nutty flavor. You can easily replace it with peanut butter or almond butter. We've added baking powder going in next with our vanilla essence. Brownies require walnuts, but my favorite ingredient has got to be chocolate chips. The dark chocolate chips are going to give us antioxidants, but they are the real chocolatey satisfaction. Thanks to the use of oat flour and the sweet potato in this recipe, we will get about 4 grams of fiber per slice. Time to transfer our mixture into a grease-lined tin, topping it with more walnuts and chocolate chips. Pro tip: I'm adding a generous pinch of sea salt to balance all that sweetness. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven at 190 degrees centigrade. Wow, my healthy chocolate brownie is ready. Let's go taste. Taste is honestly as good as the smell of this recipe was. Please go try it.